how to buy blue snakes token. So this token came under the symbol of snakes. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now this token is available on Mexc, or it will be listed on Mexc. So if you check this post, as you can see from the Mexc listing official account, as you can see, this pair will be able for trading on July 22 on 9 UTC. Now what you need to do, open your Mexc account, not type Mexc like that. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link or place an account on Mexc to benefit from your words. Now after that, what you can see, type here snakes like that, and from the top bar, click on spot, and now make sure to select the pair that have USDT. Now after that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, this is the official page on the Mexc. Now you need to wait 22 hours from now to be able to buy this token. So after that date, what you need to do, you can now type here how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, this is the total that you should pay. Now here, click on buy snakes, and in about a few hours to a few seconds, you will be able, in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to see this token added to your account. This is how to buy snakes token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.